Hey, how are you? I'm Unique Divination, and I'm glad you're here. I have a question for you. Does your business have the right tools to generate traffic and sales to your Instagram page? Hmm? Think about it. All right, I have a free workshop that I think you need to watch, and let me tell you why, okay? So, you need to sign up to receive my business development workshop that was recorded on IG Live replay, okay? In this workshop, I present a series of questions to see where you currently stand when it comes to driving traffic and sales to your Instagram business page. You will need a notebook and a pen for this workshop. All right, this free tool focuses on brand and product development. This checklist lays out a foundation for you to identify the next steps that you will need to take in order to develop your business and your products. If you've never done any type of brand, business, or product development and really don't know where to start, I highly suggest that you take this free workshop valued at $97. Please note, if you are interested in ever working with me one-on-one as far as business consultation, I will refer you to take this workshop first. So you might as well just get it out the way. All right? Please keep your answers to these questions so that we can build our consultation from your answers to this workshop. All right? We're going to create the foundation based off of how you answered the questions in this workshop. All right? Sign up to receive this free workshop today. Don't miss your chance. This workshop is valued at $97, but you can receive it for the free just by subscribing to my mailing list. Fill out the form below and sign up today. And I'm definitely looking forward to working with you, okay? You put your name, email address here, click the little button here, and just think about it. This free purchase can turn into a major investment into your life. All right? Something for the free can be a life-changing turn of event. Don't miss the opportunity, okay? All right? Looking forward to hearing from you. I'll talk to you later.